29 and I find myself wondering what did happen to the last 10. I ran away with my life, fast forward, never turn back again. It's kind of funny that the more we pass time, the more we need to set the rewind. And 19 was the year I had to leave you, but now I'm seeing all the signs. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours again.
Ang daming namamasyal. Andito kami sa Mayangmingshan. Ling Shui King First Parking. Hindi ko alam, hindi ko maintindihan ng ang daming sasakyan, guys. Sa Ling Shui King kami. Ayan yung sasakyan namin. Nag-stop kami kasi naghanap ng CR ang kasama namin. At ako'y nandito din para hilo ako, grabe. Kasi sigsag-sigsag ang kanyang daan. So, nahilo ako. Kaya lumabas muna ako. Guys, nandito tayo sa Ling Shui Kung Visitor Center. Hindi ko alam paano basahin yan. Napakadaming namasyal. Martes ngayon pero napakadami namasyal. Nag-stop muna kami kasi naghanap ng CR ang aming isang kasama. So, ayan, pwede umakyat dyan. May merong hagdanan. Hiking. CR yan siguro. Dun sa CR yung kasama namin. Hintay mo na. So, kita niyo yung parang puti na maliliit. Mga tao yan. Naglalakad sa bundok na yan. Hinakyat nila yung bundok na yan. Ayan. Ayan o, ang daming tao sa taas o. Hindi lang kita sa cellphone ko. Grabe sila.